If you need to find your cPanel details on Bluehost, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in just a minute. This is a really useful guide if you're trying to access your hosting control panel, check your login details, or find the server information connected to your website. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Bluehost and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Bluehost login page and sign in with your account information. Make sure you use the correct email and password for the Bluehost account that manages your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Bluehost dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard, click the Websites tab. This section shows all of the websites connected to your Bluehost account. If you manage more than one site, take a moment here to find the exact website you want to work with. Next, locate your specific site and click Manage Site. This will open the settings and details for that particular website. It's the fastest way to get to the tools tied to that domain. After that, go to the Overview tab. The Overview area is where Bluehost keeps important information about your site in one place, including access options and hosting-related details. Now look for the cPanel button and click it. Bluehost will launch your cPanel control panel in a new tab. This is the main dashboard you'll use for advanced hosting management, like file access, email settings, databases, and more. Once cPanel opens, look at the right side of the dashboard. That's where you can usually view your username and server details. These details are the key information you may need if you're connecting through FTP, setting up software, or sharing hosting access with support. If you don't see everything right away, take a slow look around the right-hand panel inside cPanel. Bluehost organizes this area differently depending on your hosting setup, but your account and server information should still be visible there. And that's it. You've now found your cPanel details on Bluehost and opened your control panel successfully. From here, you can manage your hosting tools with confidence and access the details you need whenever you want. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Bluehost tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to show you how to use cPanel next.